Student, my name is Rudra Dubey and I'm a robotics teacher. Let's study about Scratch programming. So first of all, we are going to open our Word file. This is our outline, which topic we have to study first. First of all, we are going to study about introduction to Scratch. Second, we are going to study about component of Scratch interface, then type of block in Scratch. So in this manner, we are going to study the Scratch programming. Uh, First of all, let's get to know what is Scratch. So Scratch is a visual block-based programming language. It is not our commonly used programming language, just like Java, C++, and Python. It is a visual block-based programming language. It is used for beginners or children of class 6 to 10 to understand the programming language or concept very easily. It allows students to create their games, animations, and stories. We don't have to, we need not to write more complex code and program debug, and the debugging of program is become easy. So, what is the history of Scratch? Scratch is developed by MIT Media Lab, led by Mitchell Rensick, and first developed in 2007. It was created for it was created to teach student coding in a fun way. Uh, uh, when you are going to study about Python, you will find a little bit difficult to write the code of Python, while your Scratch provide uh, design design that is visual block code which help you to develop your program. So, what are the uses of Scratch? Scratch is used for game development, animation development, storytelling. We can demonstrate a small story through Scratch development, education simulation. We can build quick apps. Uh, it helps to understand student programming basics. We can understand the robotics logic, and uh, Scratch is used worldwide for coding education. Now, what are the importance of visual programming? We have other languages just like C, Python, and what are the uses of visual programming? First of all, it is very easy to learn, no syntax error. It improves logic building. Uh, it also helps students to create, to enhance their creativity. What are the you can build these apps uh, to build your concept on coding with the help of Scratch. We can use Scratch in two method, that is online method and offline method. Let me show you how can you use Scratch online. So Scratch Online is the online platform where you can make your own Scratch code, or you can download Scratch offline. So in next video, we are going to discuss about the component of Scratch programming. So तब तक के लिए let's tuned to our channel.